Okay, a simple 5 minutes returning to the center meditation. But no need to close eyes, no need to go into a different space, no need to struggle. This meditation, this short 5-minute meditation, is the simple daily art practice of returning to just this. When all hell, when the drama, when the whirling around comes, as it does for so many, each day, here's a simple 5-minute returning to this. No thinking, no struggling, no indulging emotions, nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this. And in this, allow yourself to just feel without naming. Be aware of sensations, of noises, of the car, of thought. Don't worry about it. Don't give extra attention. Just stay here as awake, silent, still consciousness, awareness itself, timelessness, the eternal in which form arises and dissolves. Simplicity of emptiness. The source of all things. A simple return to the essence. The distraction, the mind, the emotion, the thought, the news, the impermanence, the body, the aches, the pains, the narratives, the worry, the future, all fold in without touching any of them. A simple 5 minutes. That's all it takes. Just this. A simple meditation of just this. Just this returning. Every day, a few times a day, when you need to. Simple, 5 minutes. And in this way, something is nurtured, something is ripened, something is fostered and forged. Something is remembered. There we are. Bless you.